Well, hello, sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back. Thank you for all of your beautiful messages that everybody sent me, making sure I was doing okay and that I was on the mend and feeling better. And yes, I have not been that sick in quite a long time. I had really bad bronchitis, and then during my bronchitis, my back molar cracked. So then I had serious tooth pain, and I'm scared to death of the dentist. So that was a whole debacle. So I have a temporary crown on there now and going back this Friday to have it fixed fully. So, and I'm feeling better, so I think I'm good now. So I had to take that little break because I just had to focus on my health and getting better and being able to function as a whole. So anyways, I just wanted to say thank you personally for everybody who sent me messages over on Instagram or on here. So thank you. You guys are just so sweet. I'm so lucky to have you guys as my friends. And happy Easter. I'm filming this on Easter before we go to my parents' house. But I do have a big announcement. But before my big announcement, I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you like home, travel, lifestyle, all that kind of stuff. I am going to be expanding my channel a little bit to do like travel vlogs and travel packing, organization of the home, along with my usual thrifting and decor and things like that. I just wanted to be able to bring you guys more content and so many other things I love to do besides decorate. So this way I get a chance to kind of have creative outlook, creative, I don't know what the word, outlet, that's the word, creative outlet, so I can bring you guys more things and more videos and more content so that you have stuff to choose from. But anyway, now the big announcement. So it's a two-parter. So the big announcement was going to be that we were selling our townhome and buying a big house. And it was all going along rather smoothly. And, you know, with today's inflation and, you know, how much money we had to put down and things like that, if we did that, then that would cut our travel down. And I want more travel, not less travel. So we kiboshed that thought. So that is no longer on the table. We withdrew from that. And we have decided that the money that we were going to put down on our new home, we are going to revamp our entire townhouse. So we are going to have so much more content coming to you as you get to see the process. We are literally changing everything. So the week of, hold on, I need a drink because I get a little dry still. And you gotta stay hydrated, especially when you're still on the mend. So we're picking out our flooring now. So we do have carpet. So the first thing we're doing is we are ripping out all the carpet and we're having all new floors put in. So we're still on the fence between a couple styles. So we're gonna go back and forth with that. And I also wanted to tell you at the end of this video, I'm inserting all the pictures of my inspiration board. So you guys can kind of see where my thought process is as to the design that I'm going with. So make sure you watch all those and make sure you let me know in the comments what you think, if you think one's better than the other, or if you, just any comments. I would love to hear what you have to think, what you have to say. I'm thinking you're saying. So yeah, the week of August 15th, all the floors are being done and I'm so excited. And then after that, we are doing our bedroom. So we are painting and I am gonna wallpaper this wall right behind me. We have already picked out new bedroom furniture. So we are painting, we are getting new furniture, and we're revamping this entire room. Then, so my husband has in our den, it's like his music room. So yesterday we went in there and we cleaned that out. And I'm gonna show it to you. It's not really like what we do, you know, decorating wise, but he's very proud of all his like autographs he's gotten from certain people. So I'll show you that at some point. And then the next couple of weeks, we're doing revamping our entire deck. So new furniture, new bistro table and chairs, new rug, putting up privacy screening. So that is something if you live in an apartment or a condo or a townhouse or something where there's others around you and you don't have that privacy, I'm going to show you a trick to get that privacy that you would like while you're sitting on your deck. So we're doing that. Then we are painting everything. So the living room, this room, the bathroom, the whole shebang is being painted. Then after the floors are done, we have ordered new furniture. So all new furniture is coming in, and I did not thrift the furniture. The furniture we wanted new, but I am on the hunt for a new kitchen table and chairs, which I will thrift. So I will take you guys along with that as well. So we're doing that, painting the furniture, and then the guy, our contractor that we're having do this work, he is going to be busy like through the rest of the year. So in the spring of next year, we'll be doing our kitchen, and we're going to be revamping the kitchen entirely. So I think we're going to use the same cabinets because they're a very good solid wood. Just repainting, new counters. I didn't tell you, the hardwood floors are going to be in the kitchen, the bathroom, everywhere. So they're going throughout. And so then in the spring we'll do the kitchen. So I'm so excited for that. And then this summer, like we have like a little area outside of our door with grass and things like that. So we are going to be doing a little makeover out there. So I'll be taking you guys along for that. And new furniture, what else? I think that was it. So anyway, a total revamp. We're going to be looking for new closet doors and we have, like when you walk up the stairs, we have a closet right there. And I'm going to be on the hunt for like a very old, like pantry door, but I want it to look really old. And I have found a couple, but you know, I'm not paying $700 for that. So I will be on the hunt for that. And I will also be continuing my thrifting because we have to thrift a lot of new items. I have to pick out, because we're going from a queen bed to a king. So then I'll need all new linens and all new everything. So yeah, we are just dumping the money we were going to put down on a house and just redoing the house we currently live. This way, you know, my husband and I, we hemmed and hawed and went back and forth and back and forth and back and forth over what to do. But, you know, we live in a nice, quiet complex. There's an in-ground pool. It's quiet, and our mortgage is low and on the way to being paid off. So, you know, and as soon as that happens, then we'll be able to travel so much more, because I still have to get to Italy. I have to get to England. I want to do a Mediterranean cruise. Like, I want to travel. So in order to do that, you know, you have to balance what's most important in your life. Do I want to live in a bigger space, or do I want to see the world? And I want to see the world. So that is my big announcement. We are staying put. We are revamping. I am bringing you guys along for the whole process. And in the meantime, on Friday, I am going to show you some of the spring touches that I have put out. So I'll do a video for that for you. But there's not going to be a lot right now because I'm trying to get rid of things and I don't want too much out, because when the floors get done, you got to take everything. It's just a big mess. So I am decorating, but it's going to be in moderation. But I will be, like I said, doing the patio, doing the front. So those are really good ones. And I am still doing like the mantle and my old-fashioned hutch and all of that good stuff. So thank you for sticking it out. And now I'm going to post in all my inspo pictures so you guys can kind of see where I'm going with the thought process of what our home is going to look like. And I want to try to make it look like an English cottage as much as possible. So we'll see if I can achieve my goal. And if you guys have any ideas, comments, please let me know. If you know of any place that has good sales coming up or something like that I've missed, please, you know, notify me here or on Instagram. Just say, hey Tina, you know what, Raymore and Flanagan's having a great sale. You should go check them out. So anything that you can find, please let me know. And I also want to let you know that our cruise is next month. So much more cruise videos are coming up. I have a cruise cabin essentials bag I have just packed. Show you what's in my portable first aid kit, beach bag, how I pack, how I plan my outfits. And a lot of you had asked for more cruise videos, and I'm gonna do a cruise vlog when we're on the ship. So anyway, that was a lot to get out in 9 minutes and 14 seconds. But anyway, happy Easter, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, and thank you for being such sweet people in my life. I couldn't appreciate anything more. And now let's get onto my inspo pictures, and I'll see you guys on Friday for my spring home touches. Bye guys, have a great day.